China, once a sleeping giant in the automotive world, has awakened. It's now the world's largest auto exporter, poised to reshape the global landscape. This seismic shift is felt most acutely in the United States, where the iconic American car market faces an unprecedented challenge: the imminent arrival of Chinese vehicles as mainstream contenders. Forget everything you thought you knew about made in China. This isn't about cheap knockoffs. This is about advanced technology, sleek design, and a relentless drive for innovation. From assembling foreign brands to fostering homegrown champions, China's automotive industry has undergone a metamorphosis. This transformation, fueled by relentless investment, government support, and a burgeoning domestic market, has birthed a new breed of automakers. They are hungry, ambitious, and armed with the latest technologies, ready to take on the world. China's automotive ambitions are deeply intertwined with its global aspirations. The perception of Chinese products has long been plagued by stereotypes, but the automotive sector tells a different story. Gone are the days of cheap imitations. Chinese automakers are now producing high-quality vehicles that rival and in some cases, surpass their international counterparts. This shift in perception is driven by tangible improvements in quality, design, and technology. Chinese carmakers have cracked the code of consumer desire. Electric vehicles, EVs, are at the forefront of this revolution, with Chinese companies leading the charge in battery technology and affordability. This combination of affordability, innovation, and style is proving irresistible to consumers worldwide. The rise of Chinese automakers is not merely about capturing market share, it's about redefining the industry. Chinese companies are pushing the boundaries of innovation, particularly in electric and autonomous driving technologies. They are investing heavily in research and development, forging strategic partnerships, and attracting top talent from around the world. The future of mobility is being written in the streets of Beijing and Shanghai, and the world is watching. The rise of China's automotive industry has sent shockwaves through the United States, a nation deeply intertwined with its own automotive legacy. The initial response has been protectionist. Tariffs aim to shield American automakers from the perceived threat. But are these measures truly effective? Tariffs are often a blunt instrument in complex global trade dynamics. They can create market distortions and raise prices for consumers. Chinese automakers may innovate and reduce costs, making their products more attractive. The American consumer is increasingly open to Chinese cars. Attractive designs, advanced features, and competitive pricing are driving demand. The future of the automotive industry is electric, and China holds a commanding lead. Chinese EV makers are investing heavily in battery technology and charging infrastructure. This focus on innovation is making them global leaders in the EV revolution. The American market represents a lucrative opportunity for Chinese EV makers. Their vehicles, with longer ranges and lower prices, appeal to many consumers. The entry of Chinese EVs into the US market is inevitable. The momentum is building, driven by market forces and consumer demand. The future is electric, and the time to adapt is now. The rise of China's automotive industry is not an isolated event. It's a harbinger of a shifting global order. China's success story underscores the importance of long-term vision, strategic investment, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. The US, while facing challenges, still possesses the ingenuity, resources, and entrepreneurial spirit to compete and thrive in this new landscape. The key lies in embracing change, not resisting it. Investing in research and development, particularly in areas like battery technology and autonomous driving, is crucial. Fostering a skilled workforce equipped for the jobs of the future is paramount. And perhaps most importantly, embracing a spirit of collaboration, both domestically and internationally, will be essential in navigating the complexities of the global automotive market. The future of mobility is not a zero-sum game. It's about collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision for a sustainable future. The US has the potential to be a leader in this new era. The evolving automotive landscape presents both challenges and opportunities. As we've explored, the rise of Chinese automakers is reshaping the industry, challenging established norms, and forcing a re-evaluation of traditional approaches. This is not merely an economic issue, it's a geopolitical and technological one, with far-reaching implications for the future of mobility. Your voice, your insights, and your perspectives are crucial in shaping the conversation. What are your thoughts on the rise of Chinese automakers? How do you see the future of the automotive industry unfolding? What role do you believe the US should play in this evolving landscape? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this important conversation together by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. You're helping to amplify this important conversation and reach a wider audience. Together, we can navigate the complexities of the evolving automotive landscape and shape a future of mobility that benefits everyone.